As we've recently referenced, the 2023 Hyundai Santa Cruz N would accompany several updates over the standard variant. While the general format would continue as before, we would hope to see oddities in regards to body and suspension arrangement. The main thing would be another suspension, with new dampers and different parts, which would draw this pickup nearer to the ground and offer somewhat stiffer ride, which would bring about less body roll and seriously captivating taking care of. Additionally, we would hope to see updated brakes. A couple of updates would be normal within 2. This alludes to things like interesting variety plans, contrast sewing and so forth. Likewise, as we are discussing perhaps the most costly adaptation of the pickup, there is no question it would accompany an extensive rundown of standard gear. For instance, we are almost certain that things like a 10.2-inch contact screen with wired Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a 10.2-inch advanced check group, route, satellite radio, an 8-speaker sound system and remote gadget charging would be added to the rundown of standard gear, as well as treats can imagine double-zone programmed environment control, a computerized key, press button start, remote beginning, a sunroof, and encompassing lighting. Notwithstanding different overhauls, we most likely wouldn't see something like this in the engine. All things considered, the 2023 Hyundai Santa Cruz N would presumably come outfitted with the discretionary 2.5-liter Super 4, which as of now has all that an exhibition truck of this size needs. It includes a maximum result of 281 pull and 311 pound-feet of force and furthermore accompanies a double grasp transmission. All-wheel drive would be norm, as well as controlling wheel-mounted paddle shifters. The 2023 Hyundai Santa Cruz N could show up currently in the last part of the following year. Notwithstanding, the authorities are still tranquil on this, so take this with a major hold. Assuming it shows up one day, we gauge that the beginning cost would circumvent $45.